to represent a very good topic, which is freebies yes or freebies no.
Ramesh cannot afford books.
We have a very large amount of unemployment.
Freebies like medical facilities.
burden on the national budget.
तो सौगाते हैं गरीब का सहारा, जीने की खुशियां और खुशियों का नजारा।
स्टॉप गवर्नमेंट।
आमदनी अठन्नी खर्चा रुपया, अब क्या करेगा भैया?
Person who are misusing the resources in an economy which is not autarky, which is a geopolitical economy, which is connected to the overall world. And you are saying if you have to look our own economy, then you have to look the other economy as well.
No, I want to know how, and I want to know if China is not providing freebies or not, but how does it affect the people of my country who are suffering?
Welfare scheme is not reachable to everyone immediately.
Freebies is create politics dirty.
We are not considering as a freebies. We are supporting as the welfare schemes which are provided by the government schemes, that if we are providing certain things to the certain people or the certain criteria, so we are accountable to them and they are accountable to us.
As sari, like gold, like TV, anything you give free, and welfare is the
डिबेट का मंच है सजा, देखते हैं मिलती है किसको जीत की ललक, किसको मिलती है हार की सजा. जस्ट फाइटिंग फॉर दिस ट्रॉफी, बट दिस ट्रॉफी इज द सेकंड प्रायोरिटी. द फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी इज दैट are we really a good and effective communicator? I would like to welcome the first member, the leader of 4 PM batch. Please put your hands together.
भूख से तड़पता हर चेहरा सवाल बन जाए, हर गरीब का दर्द एक मिसाल बन जाए. मुफ्त की रोटी, दवा और किताबें जो मिले, हर टूटा ख्वाब कमाल बन जाए. Good morning everyone, my respected teachers, my fellow debaters and all my dear friends. I am Asjad and I will be favoring freebies today. Okay, and I am in the favoring freebies, so I will be talking in the favor of freebies. So let's start. Let me tell you about Ramesh. Ramesh is a Raj Mazdoor. He lives in a small town, a village, and he walks kilometers every day just to reach a place in a city where he could find work. Some days he finds work, some days he doesn't. The day he finds work, he earns 300 or 400 rupees. Or the days where he does not, find any work, he go back to his hometown or his village with a guilt in his heart that he could not make any money and he will not be able to provide for his family. Ramesh has a wife and 2 children. His wife sometimes sacrifices her meal so her 2 children can eat. He has a daughter who wants to become a teacher, but Ramesh cannot afford books for her to do so. He has a son, Mohit, who recently fell ill, but he could not afford medicine, so he prayed to the God that for his wellness, So, for families like Ramesh, freebies are lifeline. Freebies are actually lifeline for them. Free ration ensures that their family do not sleep hungry at night. Education gives them hope that they will have a better future. Free healthcare gives them the dignity to survive without begging. Critics argue that freebies drain resources. But in reality, can we actually measure the value measure the value of something like a meal for a starving family? Or can we actually measure the value of education for a child? Or can we actually measure the value of the lives saved by free medicines? I don't think so we can do that. These are not expenses. These are investment in human lives. It makes sure that it ensures that everyone gets a fair chance of opportunity and dignity. I would like to say that these are not luxuries. No, freebies are not luxuries, not at all. Freebies are not luxuries. These are necessities. And moreover, I would say these do not create dependency. It creates opportunity. It gives us, a sense to the people, to millions of people like Ramesh. It tells them that we care about them. We actually think about people like Ramesh. So I stand here today to defend freebies. Not only I would say just to defend, but to stand by something which is known as fairness for all of us, because if we help those who need us the most, then we help our entire nation.
And that I have learned from many good leaders and many philosophers and many historians and many bureaucratic setup in administration. देश की बात होती है तो आपको टैक्स पे ध्यान देना चाहिए. And that's why I am here to come and support the vision to just eliminate. My friend just shared about the freebies and an emotional story, but he did not distinguish between the freebies and social security measure. Social security measure and which was basically not considered as freebies. So let me tell my friend and aware him about what is a freebie. Freebie is basically free in every situation, whether it's electricity, transportation, other kind of facilities which a person can afford, but the government is giving them out of their pocket money, which is the taxes. And who pays tax? Only 2.7% of our Indian citizens, right? So this is very, very unjudgmental to a person and to the people who are paying taxes from their hard-earned money, and out of the government is spending on freebies. Very unfair. So I'm here. I will talk about the stat. India is facing this freebie system since, I think, after independence, you can say. It would have been eliminated, right? But we are still facing. We have a very large amount of unemployment. So this is the answer to all that who supports the freebies. And that's why I'm here standing and talk about it in a very detail. If the question arises, thank you so much.
Good evening, good afternoon. So this side Simarpreet Kaur standing before you, and I'll be supporting freebies, yes. So thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity. Freebies provided by the government plays a significant role in addressing inequality and a vulnerable population. When we had crises like COVID-19 pandemic, at that time freebies like medical facilities, the free ration kits and the financial assistance provided many households, many struggling households, the necessities. So in such situation, freebies were the life savings and they stabilized the society. Freebies represents government's commitment to its citizens at the time of need. That nation would be damaged if they do not give each and every citizen the equal opportunity to grow in themselves. So freebies are more than just handouts. They are the empowerment and equality. At last, I just want to conclude by saying that freebies gives everybody the equal chance to succeed. So guys, please think for the greater good and stop opposing freebies.
My name is Krishna. Today I'm against talking about freebies. Freebies making people hopeless and helpless. I have some points that showing you all of us freebies is not good for us. First, economic sensibility. Second, burden on the national budget. Third, encourage corruption. Fourth, discourage self-reliance and hard work. And fifth is undermines personality. And my last point is negative impact in our education system. This is points of showing freebies are not good for us. Thank you.
Totally meaningless. Comes to leave people behind. Hello everyone, I am Yashka Mishra standing in front of you to represent a very good topic, which is freebies yes or freebies no. And I am in a favor of freebies yes. As we all know that in our country, millions of people live below the poverty line who can't afford their basic needs or their basic requirements like food, clothes, healthcare, education, and many more. Freebies can play a significant role in their life and make a huge difference in poor people's life. Freebies like free meals, free education supplies, free school supplies, healthcare, medicine, and many more things help them, and many more things help them live better in their life and reduce their daily struggles. For example, free school supplies and uniform. Free school supplies and uniform help children to go to school without worrying about the cost. Second is most important is healthcare treatment. It saves their people's life, many poor people's life, and also save poor people's life, and also who can't pay for their treatments. It's very good option. And by giving this type of freebies, people can hope in their life to improve their future. So, and last, this type of freebies by given, we can reduce poverty and make a happy life and a happy community in their lives. Thank you.
Good afternoon, respected my educator and greatest Mr. Prashant sir, and my dear friends and my opponents team members. I am Radha, student of Happiness Institute. Today I am feeling very grateful. I am really thankful to Mr. Abdullah sir who giving me this great opportunity to be the part of this amazing competition. You can't run a country basis of freebies. because of freebies. By freebies, somebody pay for somewhere, pay for it. So, but in India, by freebies, people are focusing on freebies like politician who focus on freebies for the attract voters, and people are focusing freebies for the they don't want do any work and they don't spend our money. There are many topics, there are many points on freebies who bad impact of our country, like increased corruption, unfair taxpayer, inequality, and lack of efficiency, and more things. Thank you for the listening me.
मुफ्त सौगातें हैं गरीब का सहारा, जीने की खुशियाँ और खुशियों का नज़ारा. So hello everyone, good afternoon. I am Mohammad Bilal. Today I am here for speak of freebies yes or no, and I am in favor of freebies yes. So in a nation where millions of people are suffering from poverty and lack of resources, like India, that in our country millions of people are suffering from lack of food, education, and quality of suffering for poverty and many more things like this. So in our nation, we have a reservation policy for the marginalized community who are backward. It's a tool which enhance the quality of life for poor people earlier, and now the government, the political parties is introduced freebies policies to make better their life. If in a construction worker or daily wage worker who earn more than 400 to 500 rupees daily, and he cannot afford the basic necessities, things like food, education, health, and other things related to it. So freebie is a tool who make grow to their life, and if we give freebies to them, so they are uplift their life, and the balance in society is created, and equality and inequality is.
किसी को मुफ्त में मछली देने से अच्छा है कि उसे मछली पकड़ना सिखाएं. गुड मॉर्निंग माय एजुकेटर अब्दुल्ला सर, माय वर्दी टीचर, and my fellow mates and my opponent. Thank you so much for giving this opportunity. It's my pleasure to give this opportunity. My name is Divya Jadon. I am the part of this Happiness Institute. Freebies are actually not free, but tomorrow the payer have to pay its brunt. So it is not free. It also depends. It also creates a sense of dependency. We all lazy because of freebies. Actually, freebies also create a sense of resources exploitation. Misuse our resources and exploit them. Freebies are not good for us because it is not good. This also create physical deficit of the country. The government has actually less amount of money to spend like schemes, long-term schemes like Manrega, midday meals, and it pays most of their amounts on freebies. So we have a minimum amount of money to pay on like children's, they really needy. Thank you so much for giving this opportunity.
तुम चलो कुछ हम चले, कुछ तुम चलो कुछ हम चले, यूं ही ये सफर बीत जाए हमारा. Thank you very much. You gave me this very wonderful opportunity. Good evening, everybody. I'm Shahzad here, and respected Abdullah sir, you gave me this very wonderful opportunity. Freebie is not a freebies because this is a welfare. This is a welfare, not a freebies. Millions of people in Bihar, in Jharkhand, in West Bengal, every year lost their house, their garden, vegetable, animals, and life in flood. If government don't support, who person can help them? Freebies stop government. Sometime railway accident. That time all person watch के government support them because he lost her lives. Government give 5 lakh rupees, 10 lakh rupees, not a freebies. This is a support them. This is a welfare. Her family lost her life. One person, he take a 10 lakh rupees and after that he established. How you can say that freebies is a danger for India? No, dear. This is not possible. Freebies is a very important for middle class. Suppose that if I don't have money, my mother, my parents, my family member else, and he want to some operation. If government hospital not available in market, where I go? Just tell me now. I don't have 5 lakh rupees, 10 lakh rupees. Is very important for lower class. Thank you very much.
Attract attention but value and loyalty. Good afternoon, sir, and my dear friend. Thank you for this opportunity for express my thoughts. Myself, Sunita. My topic is freebies. Freebies are provided to government services for lost free of cost. I'm against freebies. People are raised. Some people are raised funds, and some needy person is not raised funds. It's a corruption, political corruption. It's a political corruption. In India, some freebies are. In India, some freebies are provided to women. Women's with temporary benefits, not permanently benefits.
जिंदगी झंडवा फिर भी घमंडवा, आमदनी अठन्नी खर्चा रुपया, अब क्या करेगा भैया. This freebies are making people more inefficient and more lazy. Taxpayers are more stressed because of these freebies. Freebies should be meant for only those who are not capable. Should only be for those who genuinely requires or in the dire need of these freebies. A person who is capable should not be given such layers of freebies. Example, we can say pink tickets in DTC buses. I personally have seen many female travelers holding their iPads and iPhones and asking for pink tickets like, give me, this is my privilege, this is my right, give me this pink ticket. What is this? I think because of this freebies, money which should be used for the development or infrastructure project which can give or provide better facilities for all is diverted. Freebies should not be meant not just for vote bank. It should work at ground level. So I think mechanism of freebies should be made transparent and more systematic. Thank you so much.
Hello people. Hi guys. Hello everyone. Welcome to Happiness Institute. My name is Javed Siddiqui. I am basically from Kushinagar, UP, but currently I am living in Uttamnagar, New Delhi. If I talk about my qualification, I did my graduation from DD University, Golapur. Come to my hobbies. My hobbies are reading short and long stories and singing a song. About my state, I am quick learner, hardworking, and self-motivated person. If I talk about my goal, my short-term goal is to get a job. Actually, I'm not working nowadays. So my short-term goal is to get a job in a reputed company, and my long-term goal is to become successful person in my profession. It's all about me. Thank you very much. I'm here and I'm really very excited to present here because it's my first day of this institute. And today I want to discuss about English. Actually, I am not well prepared about this topic. Actually, I am not well prepared. It's my first day and totally just I have come here.
Which are provided free of cost by political parties to their to people to gain the people and support the. And I would like to put forth my point on the freebies against freebies as a political issue and the economic burden and misuse of resourcement. As starting from misuse of resourcement, lots of person who are misusing the resources such as which comes under the freebies as a free electricity, free uses of buses and the free use of water and the other essential things such as pearls. Apart from other points as a political issue, so freebies are an electoral campaign which are attracting to a target to the wrong people, in my opinion, because lots of person are just for the getting the short-term profit, they choose the wrong person. 70% of freebies are depend to the political issue. Other points are economic burden, as freebies are not free. It's come from the taxpayers, and government 70% expend the amount on freebies, and the rest amount are the different segment. So my point is kindly expend money where there need, such as food and shelter, and because government has another rule, such as recently we have passed out from the COVID-19, like Corona, so it's a big disaster. If government has a much amount, so they can spend their infrastructure like a good facility on hospitals and the other things. So that's all my point as against of freebies. Thank you. I have few questions to you all guys. So since India got independence in 1947, right? And since we were very backward, very social security measures introduced that time, India has not progressed as compared to China, Singapore, Malaysia, and some other South Asian countries. So what is the reason?
So I don't know what is the reason, but I don't think freebies are the reason for it.
So are you supporting? So you are supporting freebies?
Actually, I'm defending freebies. What do you think? Why am I here?
Due to freebies, India got high rate of poverty.
No, I don't think so.
So you are telling both the same.
What are you trying to say actually?
Actually, I'm trying to say, reason is the freebies, right?
Reason of is the freebies of what?
Freebies that the country is having so much freebies. That is why India is so.
First of all, this is not freebies. No, we have termed it as freebies just to give it a fancy name. These are actually health scheme, welfare schemes. Okay,
Security measures.
social security measures or welfare schemes. I don't think it is something that I get for free. Okay, we know that we pay taxes for it, but it is done for the welfare of the whole society, not a particular community. So you cannot say that let me finish. You cannot say that if a particular community or a country is backward is because of the reason that government is trying to help its citizens or people. So I don't think the backwardness of our country is because of freebies.
So in the UNDP, United National Development Program, there is a term written that for the development of any country, it is necessary the country should be educated, should be health, provies, should be well in skill sets, should have been given equal importance in terms of all sustainable kind of things. From that statement, it is considered that India is not following all those things.
How do you say that? I mean, on what basis you are saying that? Don't we provide freebies? You are saying that we provide freebies. No,
Let me.
you haven't not finished your question.
In a country, there is a system, 3 lists: union, concurrent, and state.
Yes, it
State
is.
list, union list, and concurrent list, right? So for every kind of list, government introduce programs and schemes. So if a country is also bifurcating some amount, which is a large chunk, to freebies, and also giving a chunk from its budget to policy and schemes, what kind of development it will support?
What do you think? What would happen if we do not, give this amount to the people who are in need?
I will talk about few examples.
Yeah, let's say.
If you talk about what is the current rate of budget that our country is spending on education?
There is no specific budget. The freebies are, no, let me finish. The freebies which are being given to the people are actually given on the basis of percentage state-wise. It's not the same that if Uttar Pradesh is, giving out freebies. No. So what are you actually trying to
I'm
ask?
trying to say that freebies that you are talking about is linked with so many same things, and you are only talking about random things.
Like
You are
what?
not talking about the core issues. I am talking about the education rate.
Educational rate, okay.
3% budget is allocated to education rate. If you talk about our neighbors,
Mm-hmm.
which is China, and 1991 China was not as much developed as India, right? It owns the economy of the world.
But don't you think that freebies has nothing to do with it? Instead, it is because of the government's policies.
How much freebies China gives?
Actually it has socialist, the socialist communist society. Socialist actually is part of it. Why would I have to be aware of China while I have to deal with my own country suffering? I know they're crying, they belong to backward class, they have been exploited by clergy or upper people who there used to be monarch here, there used to be zamindars, and they have been exploited by them.
Very lack.
No, it's not about lack kind of knowledge. If I would listen to me, if you are talking about facts, then I could name you several schemes or several welfare schemes which have been initiated since the independence and they are still in work.
People who can tap the board, okay?
So do that. We have not stopped you. You can do whatever you want. Actually,
we have to talk about logics.
yeah. Let's talk about it.
In an economy which is not autarky, which is a geopolitical economy, which is connected to the overall world. And you are saying if you have to look our own economy, then you have to look the other economy as well.
Yes, we
Because
do.
there is export and import going on.
What does it have to do with freebies? I wanna know.
You don't know the idea.
No, I want to know how, and I want to know if China is not providing freebies or not, but how does it affect the people of my country who are suffering? You are saying that if China is not providing freebies, then I should not be providing freebies. But what would happen to those class who cannot survive without freebies a day? what would happen to them? Yeah, I have, I have to go with the, from the local level. I have to think if somebody is crying on the next alley of my, locality.
I did not mean by saying that China is not giving freebies so that India would not. China is spending so much than India on social security that you don't even understand about it, and you are always talking about it. Okay. Second thing is that you can all tap about it. Second thing is that if you talk about the economy, India want to become a 5 trillion economy by 2030, right?
Yeah, already 3 trillion.
And why is that? Because by reaching that level, we all will come out from the medium level income to a high level income. And to what extent it will support? It will remove the people from the poverty to an extent, and then it will support the people to earn, not to enjoy the freebies, right?
Not necessarily. GDP does not tell that.
So, do you think, so in your opinion, do you think by reaching a 5 trillion economy is not good for India? Are you supporting it?
Actually,
Good guys. GDP. There is a real GDP and there is a nominal GDP. What is the rate?
I want to know
What is
that.
the
What
current?
does GDP
The man is talking about
What
GDP,
does
but he
GDP
did not know
has
about
to
the
do?
real GDP.
I want to know what does this GDP
This is the dilemma
has
that
to
we are
do
living.
for not me giving.
And we want freebies.
Let me explain say something. I just want to know that providing someone who is in need, what does it have to do with GST? If I will not care, I mean about GST, if my people are dying or crying, why does it matter then? If I'm living off, I'm making good money, but what about the people who are suffering? As I'm saying, you are talking about facts, but you are not looking at the people who can't even make 300-400 rupees, just like Ramesh that I told you about while I initiated my speech. You are just talking about in a selfish manner that country matters, these stats matter. Don't you know that you talked about China, that China is doing so well? Do you know how happy their public is? Those people, the stats has taken out, if somebody leaves China, they never return. Because the facilities they get and all the happiness they get out of their country. So I don't think that giving out freebies is kind of a bad thing for us. No,
Are trying to explain about freebies.
I would explain. I am defending freebies.
You don't have any points to back your support about
Here are the
freebies.
points. Let
Okay,
me
you are always speaking about social security, my friend.
Yeah, let me tell you about
Freebies, but freebies and welfare scheme are different.
No.
It is a little bit difference. Freebies are those things that we provide free, like free laptop, free electricity, like free buses for the women, free electricity for up to 200 unit in Delhi. So it is free. That's why these called freebies. So you are just
If you go to this freebie term, the term would be defined as you are providing something in free. But how would a country provide them free? They are taking the taxes also, and they are paying back it to its citizens only. And it's a government's responsibility to give everyone the equal opportunity to grow in themselves. Now, motive of freebies is not that the thing. These are the welfare schemes, but these are being worded as a freebies. These are not the freebies, and sir is also worded it as a freebies, but these are the welfare schemes. If you Google it out, if you search it out, these are the welfare schemes, and these are being the freebies are the things which are being provided freely. But while they provide freely, because you are not capable of grabbing those now, so they are providing it by giving the name as in welfare, like Manrega and all. So if you are unemployed, you are getting the 10 days. That is not free. That is not free. That is the so that is the Manrega. These types of things are the welfare schemes. These are not being termed as freebies. These are the welfare schemes.
There is a huge difference between freebies and welfare schemes. Welfare scheme is not reachable to everyone immediately.
But as your partner says that these are same terms, how can you?
No.
He was just frustrated. He was sort of getting that. The main thing is that the people are not getting. The main thing is that if we'll see out that the people are enjoying freebies, rather than we are seeing that some or the other time the freebies are welfaring to other people also. Now, so we'll not see that these are enjoying.
Do you have any statistics that people are very much willing after getting this
But I'll tell you, as the Oxfam record says, that the 75% of the peoples are being rich. So we'll concentrate on those 25% or those 75%.
because of this foolishness of unwilling people. Why are why are we being stressed?
See, we'll not look after those who are well fined off, those who are having meals day to day in their life. They are not struggling for their shelters. But we'll help those. If he has said that we'll go to, if we'll see China and all, let me complete. We'll see China and all. Why would we see other neighbor countries? Yeah, we would basically concentrate on our. बोलते हैं ना हिंदी में कि जब खुद के घर में अंधेरा हो तो दूसरे के घर में क्या दिए जलाने देंगे. So better to concentrate on your fame than others and stop comparing those.
This welfare scheme should be maintained or given
Certain period. मतलब you will say if the company will stop developing its economy and will provide it for temporary basis. See, the reservations are there.
Let me complete.
You question me, so I should answer or you should answer that. If we'll look after this, that we'll provide it on a temporary basis, so how would we poverty be vanished then? अगर हम ये देख ले कि हम टेम्परेली चलाएं तो दिस इज नॉट द फैक्ट नो ब्रो.
It is not a long term initiative. Okay.
It is not, but if we'll step a bit in our every step, अगर हम एक सीढ़ी चलेंगे, then we'll grab a development in our country. Now, if you're talking about the development, it will slow down. See, like reservations, as we talk, is also suffering for that, but still the reservations are there. Why wouldn't they ruined off, or why wouldn't they stop till now? Yeah. These are being there for the STs and STs, so that they can also grab the opportunity. If कोई रिक्शा वाला का बेटा है, अगर वो नहीं कर पा रहा है, and we are welling off, we are having the food, we are having the luxuries, and they can provide their education. So what is the there? We can think of a greater good, guys. Why are you opposing freebies? Yes, the reservations are being provided to STs and STs. They are being benefiting that, but the general people are equally being benefited. Like what? Listen to me. If they are being employed by certain criteria like STs and STs, the general categories also have the competition to compete. No, they'll compete it and they'll grab the opportunity. But listen, the STs and STs are in the minority stage, man. If they'll not get the opportunity, they'll be. If we are if the general people gonna participate or they'll gonna fight against them, then the STs and STs would know more there.
During the time of amendment and the constitutional framework, B.R. Ambedkar, the great, he said that after certain time, when the benefits was achieved or will achieved, then we should have a proposition in the parliament, then the reservation should be continued or not. And why is that? Because after this 75 years of independence, we are till in a stage that we have reached at that stage where the SC, STs and other minorities and the OBCs which have crossed their crest limit, and they are outperforming that, and also they are missing all those benefits that the general people should have. Let me finish. Second thing is that Oxfam research that you said, ma'am, this is not about, this was a 2019 research, very old, right? Right now it has increased and the number is very high. 90%, around 80 to 90% of the higher people or the rich people controls the economy of India, and they are capitalist, right? And you want that freebies for the 10%, right?
10 to 15%. It is given state-wise. There is no certain,
that can combine it. But my point is here, it has not concluded, and you guys did not answer it from the inception, is that are you categorizing your freebies as a welfare scheme or a social security scheme?
No, you can. How many questions you are gonna answer in a single breath? Then I'm gonna have to create a list that he asked this question. Then I have to make a certain list. That is not. You are not given an hour, to ask a question. It is a debate. Everybody has.
Next thing is that you are talking about the China. If we are geopolitical economy, why should we ignore other countries which are higher than us? And we want to explore the same. We have investment from China, right? We have investment from Singapore. Is the FDI largest inflows from Singapore? How can you remove that? The country does not runs on the emotions, man. You have to put your money, you have to put your all effort, the skills, manpower, everything, right? In Delhi, about the freebies, feedback. There are 43% of people who like to have this freebies, like free electricity, free transportation, and all those things, right? But there are many people who did not support. They want the government to support in the education system. They want to increase the budget of our education system. Right? They want the free reveries altogether.
Is it done now? Actually, you were noting 4 things. Okay, you that
is the rule.
these points are to be asked one by one. Okay, by all your teammates. If somebody, a particular person, that let me answer your questions. It's not a thing to argue. Actually, it's not a thing to argue. Let me first answer your first question because that's the only one that I trying to remember. Actually, no, I don't remember actually. But yeah, you said that the B.R. Ambedkar said that in the future that it will be taken away, should be taken away when we have achieved the. It will be taken away. It will be. I am saying that. What I'm saying that it will be taken away. No, it is written in. You are not letting me answering. Didn't I let you ask the question?
Because if something bad is you are.
Let me answer, sir. Then I will let you say. Now let me answer this time, sir. It's been enough long. You have answered enough.
Okay, you are very aggressive, man.
The thing is, the first question is, first thing you said, reservation should be taken away when the motive is achieved. Okay, that's what you said. Don't you think that in the past that there hasn't been some bills or some resolution in the Supreme Court that it should be taken away? Still, I have heard that some cases are going on for the reservation, but still, Supreme Court of the India rejects all of them. Why does it do that? It is the supreme thing of our country, doesn't it? It is the Supreme Court, and nothing is superior is than them. So you are saying that if I have a this kind of notion or this opinion, I have this kind. If I have this kind of emotion, notion, or this opinion that something should be taken away from certain people, then I don't think my opinion is more than Supreme Court, because they are the best judge, I would say, in our whole country. You can't question their their decisions. Even you would be jailed. Didn't you? I feel that you are a political person. You should read newspaper. I have seen a post during the COVID time. Somebody, commented below the comment section in Twitter that why this judge is not wearing a mask. He was called. He was a lawyer. He was called in the court. Now I'm just making my point. You said, no, who said that? That's what I'm answering.
Bro, if you talk about Supreme Court statements, your statement is incorrect. Please check currently statement. Supreme Court also said freebies is create politics dirty.
You are gonna supply the cut off the supply of a particular thing. What would happen to the other one for which we had started giving them?
What you think is freebies in including politics? It's also related in Supreme Court statement.
What actually happen is political parties try to we have emotional people in India, as I told us so many times. We go with emotions that this or particular thing will be provided or that, but there have been
people living in poverty line. Suppose that I am living in poverty line, I don't have money. Okay, I don't reserve go to Fortis hospital, any other luxury hospital. I want to go to government hospital. If government hospital not available in market in India, what do that time? Let me tell you.
It's available in market government.
No, you stop. You want to stop government not provide freebies. Government not provide freebies. Government, education, health, and food. And sometime following in in Bihar, West Bengal, and Uttarakhand health flood. That time some happening. That time government help them. Okay. If you want to government stop freebies, that time all people will die.
So government should be.
Yeah. Tell me now. This is a welfare, na. You want to government stop freebies? Yes, tell me now. Suppose that if government hospital not available, that time what do? You don't have.
What can I give your answer?
System mean actually.
To lower class people,
How many percent?
minimum 1,500 to 1,700.
No, you are wrong. There is only 25% reservation in private school for the poor people. Yes. But there are more than people who are suffering from the poverty line, who are not able to get.
What you think?
Only
25% is
people are
what?
there for the
25% is what?
From poverty.
Private school provide your children 25%.
No.
your 100%, your 25% is most minimum primary fees is 500 to 300 rupees.
Which private school are offered to with support of government 25% seat to the poor people?
Yeah.
Which private schools?
Every private school.
No, bro. Not every private school. Those private schools only who are built up on the government land.
So there is a specific policy about the education in Delhi that each school, since there's so much migration in Delhi from different states in India, so there is a policy that every private schools should have counter seats, which is the lottery that he is talking about, some percentage, flexible from 10 to 20%, and as much it is increased by the school as per their quota. Right? This is the flexibility of that. As you guys were discussing, so I was not interfering. Since I saw this man is interfering, so I did that. So this is the thing. This depends on the policy of that school. But there is always a quota as per that school is legal. If that school is not legal, as per the government of Delhi and the Ministry of Education, then this quota doesn't apply.
Acha.
Suppose this ke freebies are welfare
I'm
schemes.
accountable to it, may I?
Okay.
So the thing is, freebies and the welfare schemes have a minor line between that, which defines that you are supporting the freebies and we are supporting we are not considering as a freebies. We are supporting as the welfare schemes which are provided by the government. So we'll support it at that way, na? You will listen as and you'll speak out as in freebies. Freebies means, if we particular focus on the word freebies, which means that we are providing certain things on free, like we are not bothering about that the resources have been wasted, but we are bothering as in welfare schemes that if we are providing certain things to the certain people or the certain criteria, so we are accountable to them and they are accountable to us.
I said earlier ke freebies are corruption.
No,
It create corruption.
no,
You
no,
said.
I told you.
Earlier you said.
One second, guys.
So please answer this question.
I told you that the corruption would be a border. A corruption would be a certain thing, but this doesn't define that the freebies are being corrupted and these were the things. Main problem was
You clarify your topic. Freebies, no, or welfare?
Both are same, na?
No, both are
Yeah,
not
both
same.
are same.
Both
Freebies
are no
like
same.
free
Welfare
things
is
and
the-
welfare is also
no,
like
both
the
are
give free thing to the poor people.
Freebies is like anything you give free. Sari, like gold, like TV, anything you give free. And welfare is the education, healthcare, or infrastructure. Is these three things are welfare. So you say you are freebies or welfare. You
It's also
clarify
like
your
the freebies,
topic.
na? Freebies like education. Yeah.
They are not.
Freebies education. Yeah, your point. Okay, next. Freebies education. Okay.
This debate was amazing. बहुत अच्छा था. All तुम लोगों के ऊपर बहुत दया आ रही है अभी. Right? बहुत ज़्यादा.